Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Say hi. So you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is starting up a new vlog. I just came from the shop and we decided to, stop at this place to have something light before going home. Yeah, so I thought I should carry you guys along, my lovelies. Yeah. So freaking hot. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. Okay, so if you're tuning in for the first time, please do not make it your last. Yeah, so today I want to make soup. I don't know if I've made this intro before. I don't know if I made it yesterday, but yeah, I'm making it again. But guys, do not forget to like, comment, share this video. Okay, yeah, for my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Okay, thank you guys for always supporting, tuning in, watching my videos, and hitting the like button. Thank you guys. So in today's video I want to make egusi soup. Okay, but I want to start cooking the meat while I get other ingredients ready for the soup, and I would like to carry you guys along. So you guys, in my clean pot, I'll go in with this pot has been on this fire and yeah, on this gas for a while. So guys, here is the goat meat and this is the stockfish which I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to add salt, and then I'm using one knorr, which is equivalent, which is equal to 2 cubes. Okay, so you guys, I am done prepping what I need for this soup. Not much, not much, and our meat is also ready. It's also ready, so let's dive right into the cooking. So guys, I don't have much here. As you guys know, I've already cooked the meat and the stockfish, and I also have my dry fish here. I have my nut cube, powdered pepper, this is grounded pepper, salt, and here is the egusi. Okay, yeah, so that is basically it. Let's start cooking. Yeah, I also have my water in this bowl. So guys, in my pot I'll be going in with some water. Yeah, not much. I'll be going in with palm oil. So I'll be pouring in my egusi into the bowl. I got this egusi for 3,000 naira. So guys, the method I'm using, I'm not going to like melt it in water. I'm just going to put it directly into the water which I've added into the pot. Guys, I need to check on my dog is barking. My dogs won't let people pass in front of the gate. I don't know why it's that. The moment they see someone passing in front of the gate, they'll start barking. So let's go in with nut cube. I'll be using two which is equivalent to 4. Remember I've used 2 earlier. Yeah, this is that, and next I'll be going in with my dry pounded pepper. I'll go in with some salt. I think this quantity is okay. Next, I'll be going in with the dry fish. And yeah, let's cover it and allow it to cook. And I need to clear here, and then I'll wash the vegetable. I'll carry you guys along while washing the vegetable. Okay? Yeah. Guys, we need to check on our soup before washing the vegetable. Okay? Let's go in with some water from the meat. Just the water for now. I'll stir it again. Let's cover and cook. So you guys, over to the vegetables. Okay, over to the vegetable. Let's go wash it. So you guys, here is my vegetable. I'm going to go in with enough salt to be able to remove the sands and germs if there is any. Okay, and I also have my baskets here, one for putting the vegetable and one for packing it. So I'm going to allow the water to fill before washing. Okay, so you guys, here is our vegetable. As you can see, there is enough water in it right now. So let's pack it up and put it in here. I don't know how to show you guys, like there's enough sand inside this bowl right now, like enough of, plenty of them. So I'm going to wash it for the second time. But this time around, I'm not going to be adding salt to it. Just water. Yeah, so let's go check on our soup. So you guys, this is our soup. This is our egusi soup. So let's go in with the minced stock, the stockfish, and the goat's meat. You guys, this soup is banging. Like, I don't even need to tell you guys. You guys can see for yourself. When you see a delicious soup, you know by me looking at it. Okay, argue with me in the comment section. So let's cover and proceed with the washing of the vegetable. Okay, so guys, it is time for us to go in with our vegetable. Like I didn't tell you guys, this ugu pumpkin leaf, I got it for 500 naira. Like the whole of it. Like you guys in my family, we love vegetable well. We love vegetables so much. All right. So I'm going to cover it, yeah, and allow the vegetable to cook just for a very little time, okay? So you guys, our egusi soup is ready. So I'm turning off the heat right now. So you guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and share my video, okay? Yeah. So guys, here is our food. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, it's served, okay? So I need you to reply me at the comment section. When someone present this kind of food to you in the morning and said breakfast is ready, what will be your response, okay? And please ignore the noise, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.